All right, here with Herbert Hoover, Coach Joe Fields. Obviously, Joe, a tough one. I mean, you got, just like last year, you came back, got back in the game, took the lead. That interception, that was huge.
Yeah. You know, I mean, credit to them. They whooped us on line scrimmage. That's where football's played. No matter who, if you think you're a passing team or you're not, they whooped us up there. And, you know, we're living off last year's success, or this program's success. Last year's over. It ended in December, and we started working for it in January. So, but you know, we've been crowned on Facebook for some reason that we're going to be back in the championship. But so I'm excited to get back to practice. I know I'm kind of getting off on your question a little bit, but I'm excited to get back to practice and see who's still going to be there and what type of team we're going to have. A lot of football to be played. We've been in this situation before.
22 for them. Isaiah Conley. You had a hard time containing him.
Yeah, I couldn't have got out there and blocked him. You know, but he's a player. We tried to do some things, but when you're off schedule, penalties, mental miscues, and they're able to tee off on you, and they know you got to throw, it makes it a lot easier. So.
All right, good. All right. I'm going to ask you too about your quarterback play. We talked about him. A real good game for a first. Right? I mean, you didn't get the win. You got everything but the win, probably from Peyton tonight.
Yeah, we got to do better as a team around him. You know what I mean? As a whole, we got to protect better. We got to make better decisions. We probably need to make better play calls. So, I'm very disappointed, but at the same time, that's a good football team. And I've begged our guys all week to know that it's a good football team. Just because we scrimmaged at Huntington Martinsburg, we had a little success. You know, it's if we can block it. You know, I talked about 4 fights. First fight is you. Next one is within the locker room. The next one is outside noise. If we can get to those 3, and then we can get us versus them, we may have a chance. But we're not accomplishing those other 3. So got a lot of football to be played, and that's a good football team in that locker room. It still is, and we're still learning ourselves on everything we do, how we practice, how we travel, everything. So disappointed, but also, hey, know we can get better.
How was Independence different this year in your estimation?
Line was a lot better, tougher, more resilient. It felt like both teams were in shape, but I just felt like they kept fighting, and they got a couple guys that we weren't able to block tonight. So,
did you think your defense would actually kind of stand up a little better tonight than what it did?
Yeah, I thought we would do a little better of playing a little faster. We looked a little slow, and and we had some mental miscues in the secondary. Still got a lot of guys that that have not played a lot of football.
Right.
Haven't played a lot of football for us or somewhere else. So we still got a long ways to go. And those guys are returning 9-9. It's a good football team. That'd be a good football team in any class. So.
Right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, Coach. Thank you.